We came out to the peninsula. We're at Newport Beach, checking out the sights. Got some good food. Ate at the crab cooker. And now we're just waiting on my mom and sister to finish eating pizza.
We're going to the beach!
And then we're going to the beach. Newport Beach, and there's the air show going on at Huntington Beach, which is badass, but they're flying right over us, which is awesome. Beach time is done for me. So I made it back to the hotel and I realized I didn't give you guys a reason why I was here this whole time. So I spent the weekend out here in California and Los Angeles celebrating an 80th birthday for a family friend. You know, it's crazy because there's not a lot of us that really think too much about the people in our lives until it's far too late. And you know, this trip has pointed out a lot of good things and a lot of value in the older generation's wisdom and what they have to offer as far as their stories and life lessons that they've already learned firsthand, that if we just listened as a younger generation, we'd probably be much better off. So keep that in mind next time you're talking to your grandparents or elders of your family, and make sure you listen. They got some great stories and a lot of good lessons to be learned. So until next time, we'll see you soon.